What's up everyone? So today is part 2 of the Orange Justice tutorial. Today we're just going to be focusing on hands. Specifically, we're going to be doing this movement. If you missed the first tutorial where we focused on the leg movement as well as the body, then you have to go to that lesson first, because I really want you to have that down and automatic. And there's also a little bonus disco variation that I teach in that lesson, and you need to have that down before we continue on this lesson. So if you think you have the leg movements down, then today we're just going to be focusing on the arm movements, so the hand motions. However, I'm going to keep going side to side like this with the very basic leg movement. Keep in mind that the real Orange Justice does that as well. It goes low, so it uses levels, and it comes out kind of wider as you go lower. This was covered in part 1, so once again, you gotta make sure you have part 1 covered before we integrate the arms. So the Orange Justice arm movements is kind of random and it's off rhythm, but in order to teach you guys it properly, I've chosen an 8 count variation of it. So I just picked 8 counts out of the actual dance, and we're gonna be doing that motion. We're also gonna be doing it on rhythm, though I'm going to teach you how to do the off rhythm variation just quickly later. Okay, so the arm movements that we're going to be doing today, it's going to be follow this pattern. We're going to go out, down, up, hang, cross, out, cross, up. Once again, out, down, up, hang, cross, out, cross, up. Now it looks really fast, and it's actually done pretty fast just like that. Of course, I'm going to slow it down for you guys, and we're going to break it into the first 4 counts before adding in the second 4 counts. Okay, so let's start off with the first 4 counts. It's going to go out, down, up, hang. So the arm movements for the Orange Justice dance, it's kind of lazy. It's funny because when I teach club dance, I tell guys to not use too flimsy hands and just to keep things tight. But this is a silly dance move, so this time we're just gonna have flimsy hand movements, because that's exactly how you gotta do it. So you let your wrists just kind of like flail, and it's not very strict. So the first one we're gonna go out like that, just throw them out, lazy, elbows bent, out. Second one, we're gonna throw it down, so out and then throw it down. So lazy, lazy, just throwing it out, loose, loose. Third one, it's gonna be up. So you got 2 ways you can do up. When I look through the dance, you can either cross it like this, or you can throw in this kind of, you're making this T look kind of like a Muay Thai defense. So it's up to you, doesn't matter. You can go up, you can go up like this. So cross, Muay Thai. That's number 3. 4th count, it's gonna be hang. So we're gonna go cross or up, and then just hang it out like this. It's kind of like a scarecrow. So once again, we're going to go out, down, up, hang. So those are the first 4 counts. Okay, so let's do it a few times with me slowly. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, down, up, hang. Just like that. Out, down, up, hang. Okay, so let's do it a few times with me really slowly. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, down, up, hang, 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 out, down, up, hang. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to complicate things just a little bit more. As I mentioned, real Orange Justice dance is a little off rhythm because the arm movements add a slight complication to it. So one thing that's done before we throw out, we can throw in this kind of, it seems like it's from this locking move, this arm rotation. But again, it's Orange Justice, so it's a really lazy double arm rotation before you throw out like that. And this slows down the rhythm. So before we're doing it very linear, like 5, 6, 7, 8, but now we have this long delay. So if you wanted to do Orange Justice off rhythm, then you would take your time doing this arm rotation before you throw out. But again, to make things easier, we're gonna just throw it in before we do the motion, and we're gonna do it a lot faster, just so we can stay on rhythm and we can practice the arm movements. It's like a slight subtlety if you're really anal about getting it exactly like Orange Justice, but if you don't really care, you just do it like, so let's start. Again, this time we're gonna start with the arm rotation before we throw out the first move. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, down, up, hang, 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 out, down, up, hang. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do a little faster because Orange Justice is a lot faster. So we're just going to try to get halfway there. I'm going to count a little faster. This dancing a little faster will allow our wrist to flail out a little more, just like Orange Justice dance. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, down, up, hang, 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 out, down, up, hang. Good. If that was too fast for you, don't worry. Just rewind a bit, practice to the part where I was teaching it slower. Okay, so if you think you got the first 4 counts down, we're going to go to the second 4 counts. And I want to make sure that you guys have the first 4 counts down, because if you don't, rewind it, do it again, because this is just going to confuse you if you're not ready for it. So the second 4 counts, we're going to go, starting from the hang if you like, we're going to cross, out, cross, up, just like that. So from the hang, we're going to cross, just like that. Then we're gonna go out, throwing your hands out again like this, just like that first count. And we're gonna cross again. And we're finished throwing up. You can either throw up in a cross, or you can throw up in that Muay Thai T motion. Let's do it again. Slowly, we're going to cross, out, cross, up, just like that. Okay, so let's do it super slow. On my count, you don't have to do this hang if you don't want to. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, out, cross, up. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, out, cross, up. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, out, cross, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, out, cross, up. Okay, now we're going to complicate things a little bit. just like in the first 4 counts, you can throw in some arm rotation when you're doing the cross. So where I like to throw it in is from the first cross, I throw in kind of a half one, so I just come out like that, so it doesn't really affect the rhythm so much. Cross, out, and then when I cross back again, I do rotation. So cross, out, cross, up. So you can see I threw in a small arm rotation, just like it's done in the Orange Justice stance. It's done a little bit slower again, but it throws off the rhythm. So if it doesn't make a difference to you, then I suggest you follow it this way for now. Okay, so let's try it again, considering this new variation if you want. If not, just focus on just getting cross out, cross up. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross out, cross up. Good. Let's try continuously now. So instead of hanging on the after that, we'll just go right into cross out, cross up. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross out, cross up, 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 cross out, cross up. Nice. Okay, so this tutorial is running long, so I'm going to break it off here, but I want to put everything combined into part 3. So we're going to combine combo 1 and 2 into one giant combo in part 3. So I'll put the link in the description and in this video once it's up. Don't forget to click like, subscribe if you haven't, and visit pickupdance.com for all of my programs. Thanks for watching.